It's interesting that during my long career as an entrepreneur of over 33 years and my long career as someone studying psychology for the last 2 decades, over that time, what I've noticed is that there seems to be quite a similarity. There's a real common thread between psychology and the entrepreneur. And I find one of the strongest vibrations with that thread is around the idea that actually the entrepreneur, the business person, the self-starter, is essentially and existentially a creator. Very much, they both share a similar mind and character. They share a mind and character and a psychology of the creative mind. We find that the entrepreneur can tolerate ambiguity and uncertainty, as can the artist or the creator or the novelist. The entrepreneur can dig deep for self-motivation, for intrinsic motivation, and make something happen with that motivation. They can energize themselves, just like a creator. They share a similar psychology in the sense that the entrepreneur is willing to be fearless and to take risks and to fill in their world as they're going, just like a creator fills in the text of their book or fills in the paint on their painting. So it's interesting that entrepreneurship and psychology and being creative actually mesh and merge in the aspect of how their character is and how they show up in the world. And these are the people who give us novelty, a novelty that's feasible, who change the world, who can adapt to changing times because they've got that type of deep psychological set around ambiguity, tenacity, intrinsic motivation. They can do it, and they just do. So that's how I find entrepreneurship, creation, and psychology deeply connected. There's many, many other ways, but that's the first one that comes to mind right now. But ask me some more questions.